Okay, today we're going to show you how to measure for replacement glass. For instance, say this glass has lost its seal or the glass itself broke and you can't find any stickers on the window. What you'll do is you're measuring the glass opening. And this is with all of our products. Say it's the bottom sash. I'll come on the inside, vinyl over to vinyl. And I'm measuring 21 3/4. So that glass is going to be 22 3/4. Now you go to the bottom, and you never want to do it in the middle. You always want to go to the corners. Go to the bottom of the vinyl, up to the top. I have 19 1/4. We'll add an inch, which would make it 20 1/4. So if this opening, say for instance, is 20 by 20, you'll add an inch to the width and the height. And this is on all of our products, double hungs, casements, sliders, and patio doors. For instance, if I come over to the patio door, it's going to be the same concept. I'll measure right here, inside vinyl to inside vinyl. I have 29 1/8. The glass width is going to be 30 1/8. I'll come right here on the height, come down to the bottom. I have 69 inches, so I'll make the glass 70. So it's always going to be 1 inch wider on the width and 1 inch wider on the height. The reason that we're adding 1 inch to the interior measurements is because this sash is actually glazed to the interior portion of the sash. If you tip it in, these are called glazing beads right here. Once you pop these off, you kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. So we'll pop this bead off. That glass is sitting back behind this glazing bead at 1/2 inch all the way around. This is for any of our products if you want to remeasure for a new sash. It's always going to be width first by the height. So what you'll do, tilt it in, make sure your tape measure is actually on the vinyl right here and not the weather stripping. So you just measure the width. And we have 24 1/4. And then when you do the height, make sure you're on the vinyl, come all the way down to the bottom of the vinyl, and we have 21 3/4. So when you're measuring for a double hung, slider, casement window, patio door, it's always going to be width first by the height.